Hi everybody, it's 12:02 and 34 seconds on May 4th. This is the drawing for the Tales of Suspense number 48, graded 5.5, which is the first new Iron Man armor. Okay, so here are the 15 spots that are filled on the left-hand side. Go up and down. Let's do our 3 dice. The number is 11. Okay, I'm going to try to get this out today if I have the opportunity to leave my office right now and get to the post office. But if I don't, it's most likely not going to go out until Monday the 7th. All right, just want to give everybody the heads up. So away we go. Name at the top of the list wins the book. Good luck. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here's the final one. 11, spot 4, Frank Digi. Time is 12:03 and 40 seconds.